Listen, this silk press has been through the storm, the fire, the humidity, and a long nap. She's done. So I decided to let AI fix it. Yeah, ChatGPT is now my hairstylist because I clearly needed help. This is what happens when you try to make a silk press last 3 weeks. So I opened ChatGPT and I was like, hey, I need help. And she really came through with the whole checklist step by step, like what shampoo to get, what curl cream, the order to do it in. Stick around if you want to see how it turned out. ChatGPT gave me an in-depth list of what to do and what products to use. Naturally, I went on the Walmart app to buy the missing products suggested. I was adding to cart like I was spending somebody else's money. Walmart's same-day delivery came in such a clutch because these products came in literally less than an hour. ChatGPT's first step was to wash, and my scalp, she was asking for deliverance. I used SheaMoisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Shampoo, and I also used Aussie 3-Minute Miracle. Then I got in the shower with my tools and washed away. Okay, so I just got out the shower and my hair is soaking wet, which is the best time to style it. And I have all the products that ChatGPT recommended. I have my leave-in and my curl definer and my gel. So I'm just gonna do the full method and see how it turns out. Like always, I section my hair into 4 parts, and then that single part I also break it up. While I was doing my hair, I had ChatGPT's step-by-step list pulled up on my iPad so I could reference it during the whole process. First step is leave-in conditioner. Moisture is key. ChatGPT recommended I use the Taliah Waajid Apple and Aloe leave-in conditioner. I made sure to detangle it through. Then I'm using the Taliah Waajid curl definer, and that stuff is thick with 5 C's. Like, I could turn this jar upside down and it wouldn't budge, but this is perfect for really making my curls pop. And then I go in with the Wetline Xtreme Gel because these curls need to last. But then I had to make sure that the gel and the curl cream could actually be used together because I wasn't sure and I didn't want to put this on my hair and it flaked up. But turns out it goes perfectly. And now it was the long part, which was actually putting all these products into my hair. I started with water, then the leave-in, then the curl cream, and then the gel on top. And I raked it in small pieces, and then if I saw frizz, I would go over those pieces or twist them with my fingers because you really want to try to eliminate all frizz. And these 3 products work great together. It was a really good suggestion to use. And as you can see, I'm working in small sections. I probably could have even worked in even smaller sections because big sections lead to big regrets. And yes, I'm raking it through like my life depends on it because if I miss even one patch, that one piece of hair will betray me later by being extremely frizzy. So take your time on this. Sometimes I want to rush, but I know that if I go slow and take my time coating each strand, I'll have better definition. And look at that, the hair is clumping. We love to see that.
Yes, sir.
I think it was around this part that I started getting really tired. My arm was hurting. Natural hair is a full body workout, okay? Y'all don't talk about that enough. But after I did the back of my hair, I actually did take a break that's off camera, and then I went back to do the front. And when I start working on the front, that kind of gives me more motivation because I know I'm almost done. And this part is low-key therapeutic, just me, the mirror, and some curls that are finally acting right. Well, most of them.
Oh, give me a big fat break!
And now I was finally almost done. This is my last section. I went ahead and just finger coiled that whole section because I was so ready to be done. Do y'all think I should get bangs? Anyways, I was done, and now I was just clumping up some of the curls in the front because I noticed I had some heat damage, but I'm not surprised. I did have my hair in a straight-in style, but I tried curling them around my finger to try to get the curl to come back, but I don't know, it's gonna do what it's gonna do. But no fear, because I'm gonna blow dry my hair, and I knew that would probably bring back the curls. I put my diffuser attachment to my blow dryer and then got to work drying my roots first. I took my time on my roots. I was on high speed, medium heat, and then I later went to high speed, high heat. But yeah, I just dried my roots, then the sides, and then I went under the curls. And some of those pieces that looked kind of straight, they did end up curling back up, as you can see. And I really loved how it looked. And my hair wasn't hard either. Like, it was not have like a hard cast on it. It was actually like soft and still defined and holding the curls. It was great. I loved it. This is not the same hair from before. I don't know what kind of magic ChatGPT is on, but run it back. I was not expecting ChatGPT to get it right, but this washing girl honestly might be my best one in a minute. And so, of course, to celebrate, I decided to turn myself into an edit. Anyways, if you've been struggling with your routine, maybe you just need a robot bestie, because mine just revived my whole head. If you made it this far, you're real for that. Let me know in the comments if you let AI style your hair, or if you have already. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and all that good stuff.